Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the top 5 best mechanic tool sets for you right now available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Dewalt 108-piece drive mechanics tool set. When it comes to mechanic tools and machines, Dewalt is second to none and strives to provide its consumers with the best products. In this particular set, 108 pieces are packed in an accessory case. You don't need to worry about the driver's grip as it comes with an anti-slip vinyl grip. This mechanics tool set offers a comfortable grip while doing any hard task. This set also includes all wrenches, ratchets, sockets, hex keys, bits, along with bit drivers. Dewalt has given almost everything that you could need for any home mechanic task. This product is not only reliable but comes with a lifetime warranty. Moreover, you can avoid rounding of the fasteners because of its direct torque technology. At number 4. Craftsman Mechanics Tools Kit with 3-drawer box. Keep all your tools in one place with the Craftsman Mechanics Tools Kit with 3-drawer box. An ideal drawer box organizer, this product is heavy-duty and sturdy. With a fold-down handle, you will be able to take this toolkit along with you wherever you go. Carry your tools on the go with this Craftsman Mechanics Tools Kit with 3-drawer box. Home improvement projects can now be worked on safely and efficiently as all your important hardware tools will be neatly organized, easily accessible and portable. This product is designed to hold numerous tools, helping you get rid of the clutter that is around the house. The Craftsman Mechanics Tools Kit with 3-drawer box, professional grade and ruggedly built to withstand any kind of rough use. The design of this tool organizer is convenient and rolls perfectly for people on the move. All the bits fit in a double compartment. The dividers break apart and you slide them into the drawers. At number 3. Workpro W009019A 119-piece toolkit. All of these tools are made of high-quality steel and polished with chrome. This means it is corrosion and abrasion-free. Its plier jaws are treated with tempered heat to make it more durable. Extra harsh cutting edges are made of chrome nickel steel to provide you with the best experience. The best part of this deal is that it includes a mechanic hammer which has a high carbon steel head. Wrenches and hex keys are made of steel. These tools are also heat treated to make them more reliable and durable. The knife that comes with this set is a traditional looking knife, but it possesses an auto lock mechanic for quick operations. Sockets are made of chrome vanadium steel, offering durability, strength. At number 2. Dewalt DWMT75049 Mechanics Tool Set. When it comes to quality, Dewalt has always delivered what it promises to its consumers. This particular set has 192 pieces, including ratchets, screwdrivers, wrenches, hex keys, extension bars, and bits. All of these items are made of alloy steel. Many features make this deal attractive to all mechanics. Sockets included in this set works great with direct torque technology. Knurling rings are there to provide you an exceptional grip even if your hands are greasy or oily. With the 192-piece mechanics tool set, you can be sure you have the right tool for the job. The tool sets for mechanics include 3-pair head ratchets and a variety of sockets, extensions, universal joints and adapters. The sockets include direct torque technology to help prevent rounding of fasteners and to provide better grip for the tools for men. Finally at number 1. Crescent CTK170 CMP2 Mechanics Tool Set. The Crescent Mechanics toolsets are professional toolsets contain tools for industrial jobs. They come with durable, full-polish Crestalloy alloy steel ratchets, drive tools, and sockets that are reliable and resist rust and wear. In a mechanic's life, tools matter a lot, and Crescent CTK170 CMP2 Mechanics toolset doesn't disappoint you at all. It is a versatile package that includes almost everything you would need in your home, garage, or workplace. This set includes screwdrivers, ratchets, sockets, wrenches, and all of these tools are made of alloy steel. Chrome finishing makes this set corrosion and abrasion free. It is no doubt a complete portable set that you get without spending much money. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.